Hi, my name is Jeremy Tallman, and I serve as President and Managing Broker for T&H Realty Services. Thanks for watching this video, where today I wanted to explain a topic that most of you may not find overly interesting, but that's property taxes. If you're investing in Indiana though, or plan to invest in Indiana, it is very important to understand our property tax rules because they are a little different. Simply put, we operate under a 1, 2, 3 tax cap rule. And what that means is if the property is owner occupied, meaning the person that owns the home actually lives there, and there's the coveted homestead exemption on file, then that person should pay no more than 1% of the assessed value in property taxes annually. So if that property is assessed at say $200,000, then the owner would only pay a maximum of $2,000 under that tax cap rule. Non-owner occupied homes, rental homes for example, where that homestead exemption is not on file, have a 2% tax cap. So that same $200,000 home would now be subject to a $4,000 tax cap. And then the third category is for commercial buildings, like an office building for example, and those structures face a 3% tax cap rule. So, it's important to understand that. So, what does this mean for you as a landlord? Well, most of the time, investors are going to buy a home when there's a homestead exemption on file. A lot of investors buy homes that were coming through foreclosure. So when you purchase that home, the homestead exemption could be on file. So that first year, for example, you may only pay a 1% property tax cap. So it's important that when you buy that home, you understand the tax situation on the home, because very easily that home could double in taxes if that second year. And some of our investors have faced that, where they purchased a home, homestead exemption is on file, a year later their taxes double. And so it's important to plan for that, to understand that, and so you can make the appropriate adjustments from your cash flow projections, things like that. Again, this is Jeremy Tallman with T&H Realty Services. If you have any further questions about tax caps or just investing in Central Indiana generally, I'm more than happy to talk with you about that, and thanks again for watching.